Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode, however it does not really matter whether you will be on the photo, video, movie mode, whatever. We have to open the settings, so let's do it just by tapping on this arrow here and now enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the camera settings flashed a little bit, so let's go back. And here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because our device will ask us about the access to the location, so it's up to you. And the second, the most important evidence is that we have to select a style in which we'll take photos. And this is the option we are choosing at the whenever you will open the camera for the very first time after configuring your device. So this is the evidence. So what is more, we've got this instructions, which also appears if you're opening the camera for the very first time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.